Autosport International is more than just about top drivers, race series and cars. It's also about technology and innovation. And for 2 days, there's a dedicated area all about technology, innovation and trade. And here are a few things that caught my eye.
Building a land speed record car. This one's capable of a top speed of 1,050 miles per hour, and it weighs 8 tons, so it loses a whole ton of weight just in burning the hydrogen peroxide, which is the oxidizing agent for the rocket. And is 14 meters and 90 times more powerful than a Bugatti Chiron.
We're here displaying our composite engineered products at the show. So we supply a range of different parts across the motorsport industry.
In 2011, we were Greaves Motorsport and racing at Le Mans. 2012, we set up Greaves 3D Engineering.
We have our own engineering, we make our own parts and our own Titan products for Japanese vehicles, so we display some of that as well over here. And the engineering side's a good fit for us because we're trying to distribute to shops and teams and suppliers over here, more so to the general consumers.
We're making a really fast car, but the real problem is getting kids into STEM engineering subjects. We're going to a world that we don't know what problems are going to be that we'll have to solve, and we need engineers. Why not trying to inspire them by doing something awesome that nobody's ever done before, by making a car that is capable of 1,000 miles per hour.
Here on the stand today, we've got some tyre scraping equipment, setup equipment for LMP2 cars, and we're just launching a smart refueling management system, which allows the engineers from the pit wall to control exactly what goes into the car, fuel-wise, on the pit stop.
We have the metrology range, which is the HDV. Conventional shadowgraphs and profile projectors are used for the measurement of all the parts.
We're displaying drive shafts or half shafts at this show. So we've got full integrated tripod joints on the end of those now, and they're currently being used in the Formula E series.
We've got one of our 2JZ complete billet drag engines here. It makes over 3,000 horsepower, so that's kind of been a good touching point and kind of showpiece for people to see the wildest of what we do in the US.
The biggest area for us is engine inspection. So either they're tested and checked before, checked for discoloration, cracking, etc. And then after the race is finished, so for F1 regulations, they have to check them the same to make sure that and prove that the engine's still used for the next race.
Everything we do here is for motorsport.
So there you go. For all things trade and engineering, make sure you come to Autosport International.